Welcome to the video on the steps for subtraction. Step 1. Stack by place value with the biggest number on top. Step 2. Regroup when needed. This is only needed when the top number is smaller than the bottom number in your place value column. Step 3. Subtract in columns by place value starting on the right and going left. To illustrate these steps, let's start with a very simple example. How about 9 minus 3? Well, step 1, stack by place value with the biggest number on top. 9 is bigger than 3, so we'll put 9 on top and 3 underneath it, and both of these only have digits in the ones column. So we're going to stack the ones on top of each other. So the 9 is in the ones column and the 3 is in the ones column. Now we subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer is 6.
Now let's do an example with bigger numbers.
56 minus 42. Step 1. Stack by place value with the biggest number on top. So 56 is bigger than 42, and we're going to line up the numbers according to their place values. So we'll put 56 on top, and then put 42 beneath it with the 2 in the same column with the 6 and the 4 in the same column with the 5, because this is our tens column and this is our ones column. Now, subtracting columns by place value starting on the right and going left. So we start with the rightmost column. So in this case, it's the ones column. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. In this case, we didn't need to do any regrouping because in both cases, 6 is greater than 2 and 5 is greater than 4. Here's an example where the regrouping may make more sense. 25 minus 7. 25 is bigger than 7. We put 25 on top. 7 is in the ones column, so we put it directly under the 5 in the ones column. Notice we have an imaginary 0 under the 2 in the tens column for the 7 because 7 does not have any tens. But we can just leave that blank, or if you prefer, you can put a 0 right there. So 5 minus 7. Well, once again, we can't do that because 5 is greater than 7. So we take away a 10 from the 2, and now we only have one set of tens in the tens column, and instead we will add that 10 to the 5. Sometimes I just like to put a little 1 right there, and now it shows that this is 15. Or you can cross that out and just put that this is now 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8, and then 1 minus 0 is 1.